Hi there, welcome back. Pause Lemons here. Before jumping into the show, make sure you've hit the subscribe button. You can also give it like, comment and share it to your social media. I would be very grateful if you do that. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to paint 10 kinds of leaves that you can use for your floral designs. It is actually good for practicing your strokes as well as for your muscle memory. For your information, this one is from the previous video. And this one is pretty much the overview of what we are going to paint today. Okay, first of all, let me pick some brushes that I might use in today's painting. Now let's put it aside. For the first leaves, I'm gonna use this olivey color. All you need to do is making a very thin loose line with a leaf at the near end, just like this. And then make symmetrical leaves from that point downwards. For the second leaves, it is quite the same, but it is not symmetrical as before. This one should look wilder and less neat. Leaves number 3 is the most popular among others, just a basic leaf shape that you can easily find it anywhere, just literally anywhere. For leaves number 4, we can begin with painting some lines to work as stems. In which these plum-shaped tiny leaves grow. Then for leaves number 5, it's a fern. We can make these symmetrical stems first. And then put little leaves there. Next one are rogue leaves. I've actually used it in one of my videos. You can check it out on the link above if you want. Next up are these cute but elegant leaves I like the most. Remember, to make leaves, you don't have to always use green. Just play around with those colors you have on your palette. Now we've come to leaves number 8. Leaves number 8 is actually just a simpler version of the one next to it. Next in the line is this wild grass we usually find in a garden with something like crown on the top edge. Okay, off we go to the last leaves we have today. A spiky shaped leaves, I would say. Now that I'm done with all of these basic shapes, we can continue to give some details to the leaves we have here, giving some shadows and highlights to some parts of the leaves. And we're completely done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please give it thumbs up and also leave comments and subscribe to this channel, because I would say in the future I would make more tutorial videos, not only for leaves but also for flowers and landscapes, seascapes, something like that. So I hope you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.